Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2014 Nissan Juke. Now of course, as you can see, you get LED daytime running lights, you also get halogen headlights, and of course your front fog lights. You then round the side get these brilliant 17-inch painted alloy wheels, of which I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of design, pattern and condition. This car is fully prepared, which means that you could take this car away today. But coming around to the rear now, we've got 4 rear parking sensors. We then come into the tailgate, where we've got plenty of room in here. We've got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats that do fold flat with the boot floor. Coming out and round again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got your cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got full electric windows all round. And then into the front now, we've got a 6-speed manual gearbox. We've got climate control in the front, and then we've got your radio as well. This does, of course, come with your various radio sources. So you've got FM and AM. On your media, you've got your auxiliary just on there as well, and you've got your CD player at the top. So the steering wheel now, we've got your audio controls on the left, as you can see, with your Bluetooth hands-free. We've then also got your cruise control on the right as well, and as you can see, this car has only done 66,091 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the lashed remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Nissan Juke, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.